Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations on an Eidgah ground in Karnataka can proceed as planned, is what the High Court has said, turning down a petition filed this is after the Supreme Court had ordered a freeze in the case of the Bengaluru Eidgah Maidan. In a midnight hearing, the High Court said the serious dispute over ownership in case of the Bengaluru Eidgah land does not exist in the Hubli case. So, the order of the Supreme Court is not applicable, is what was said in court. The decision to hold Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations on the Eidgah ground in Hubli was taken by the local civic body, and the petition on the High Court was filed, in fact, after the Supreme Court ordered a status quo in the case of the proposed celebrations on the Eidgah land in Bengaluru, over 400 kilometers away.
The situation in Hubli is totally peaceful, and we have made elaborate bandobast regarding Ganesha festival, which will be celebrated from today or to maybe next 11 days, and every day there will be immersion. Today they are installing in the public place as well as at their house, respective houses also.
We have Shrija joining us. Shrija, no Ganesh Chaturthi festivities allowed as far as the Bengaluru Eidgah ground is concerned, but now they're being allowed as far as the Hubli Eidgah ground is concerned.
Yes, in both the situations, especially at two different locations, where we are reporting from now is the Eidgah Maidan in Bengaluru. To show you what's really happening here is, especially, of course, the celebrations have not been allowed. But, additional forces have been deployed. There is a rapid action force on ground. You also have security personnel. In terms of the number of police personnel, it's over 1,200. There, of course, it's turned into a police fortress as far as Eidgah Maidan is concerned. In and around of Eidgah Maidan is the kind of security that the police personnel has stepped up. This is to ensure that there is no, law and order kind of a situation here. Also, there's no communal clashes break out. This is right after where the Supreme Court had ordered status quo, saying that no celebrations, especially Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, can take place here at Eidgah Maidan. Also, it is important to note that the Supreme Court did go on to talk about that it is a disputed land right now, because the dispute is between the Waqf board and also the Karnataka government. Now, as far as the Hubli Eidgah Maidan is concerned, the situation is very peaceful at the moment. Yes, of course, you had the right-wing organization, installing a Ganesha idol, carrying on with the celebrations, bursting crackers. These were the scenes that were witnessed early this morning at the Eidgah Maidan. This is amid tight security is what we did, of course, see. So no clashes or violence that's been reported. It's peaceful at the moment here at both the locations, both the districts in Bengaluru and Hubli as well. It's also important to note that during the late night hearing, Karnataka High Court's hearing, the Karnataka High Court had rejected the petitioner's plea challenging the deputy, especially the Dharwad Municipal Commissioner's decision that allowing Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations to take place at Eidgah Maidan in Hubli district.
Right, Shrija, thank you so much for getting us all those details.